beauties. I have an item to unbox from Sphynx. Product was sent to me at no charge for me to review, and we'll see if it's not going to open that way. That's okay. I am prepared. Okay, just making sure there was nothing else in there. Looks like normally it costs $15. And they come out of California. And the name, hang on, cover up my address, is, like I said, Sphynx. And that's their info in the Sphynx collection out of Woodland Hills. And comes in this little packet, of which I really wish I got gotten my scissors. Be right back. Okay. I didn't want to just rip it open because it's a resealable packet. Anyway, this is a shave anytime, anywhere. It has a spray bottle, a pre-shave bar, and 2 razors. Okay. And the packaging is really cute because it's got, like, I don't know if you can see, but all the little spots. And on here it says never miss a spot because of a missed spot. And then on the back it tells you, how to go about using it for missed spots and touch-ups. One of the things you do is you remove the cap on the spray bottle, and it shows you how to remove the spray bottle and add water. Place it in the spray bottle and spray water on desired shave area. Then you rotate the center dial with both thumbs to the moisturizing pre-shave bar. Lather skin generously with the pre-shave bar. Rotate the dial to the first or second razor and shave desired area. Rub leftover moisturizer onto skin and you're done. Hooray! And then it also tells you how to clean them. So basically you rotate the center dial to spray bottle so that the razor blades are not exposed. Remove the cap. Twist the outer shells in opposite directions to open. Rinse with water as needed. Close, twist outer shells back into place. And then it says, and I love the whole attitude. Wondering if you can replace your blades and pre-shave bar? Heck yeah. Sphynx refill packs are available online and in select stores. Refill, replace, relax. The warning is a standard, obvious, keep out of the reach of children. And then it gives the ingredients to the pre-shave bar. And then the benefits such as being sulfate-free, SLS-free, wheat-free, paraben-free, GMO-free, gluten-free, cruelty-free, vegan, won't melt in high temperatures. And then also a very important thing, you can travel with this on a plane. Okay? it's carry-on friendly. So you don't have to, take your razor, bury it deep in your luggage, and then if it happens to get lost, you're going bohemian. And it says that it was designed with love in LA. So that's a nice thing. It is not made in the USA. But other than that, that's okay. Somebody made this Linda proof. I also have another nail that's split here and here. Well, here and here. Way below the quick. This is cute. Like I said, I love their attitude. Did you know Sphynx was named after the hairless cat? Meow. It's tearing up my heart when I'm dull for you. And when I need a refill, you'll feel it too. If you want my future, refill me fast. If you don't want a dirty me, better clean my past. Dull and dirty? Ain't nobody got time for that. Learn how to clean and refill your Sphynx at shopsphynx.com. The little diagonal thing. How dash or hyphen, however you know the word, to T-O. Like I said, I really, really, really like their attitude. Okay, it's got a little piece of tape on the back. But you have this little dial right here. I'm not going to use my thumbs like it says because of the fact that, oh look, it's already on the little spray bottle. Oh, and that comes out very easy. Good to know. But I don't want to do it with my thumbs because of that nail. So, pre-moistened moisturizing bar. And let's see. That comes out pretty easy as well for replacement. Okay, and then we have the razor, and it's live. It doesn't have, whoops, it doesn't have the like a protective, but you have this that goes over it. And let's see. I'm not sure exactly how that comes out. I'll have to really look at it because I don't want to break it. But that's the Sphynx. Portable, go anywhere. Airplane safe, fun packaging and attitude. And I'll update you once I've had a chance to use it. And don't forget, I do have, just gonna stick that back on there, a giveaway, which I'm gonna link below, and I will also put the link in here for Sphynx, and I'll go ahead and try to remember to put their address as well. But, and then, like I said, it has a resealable, so you can just put it in here, toss it in your carry-on, you're good. Toss it in your purse, your tote, whatever. Carry it in your car. Get a few. Have one in the car, one for your purse, one for at home to grab because you forgot that you have one in your car or in your purse. That's how I would do it. Pardon me. And they do come in all kinds of colors. I got the purple one, and then I think there was a blue, a pink, and a black, I think. There might be more. If I'm wrong, I'll correct that in the description. So with that, until next time, or actually, if you liked what you saw, I'm getting ahead of myself and filming a bunch of these and my voice is going. I did go see the ENT doctor very soon to see what's going on with my throat. But if you like what you saw, ring the bell, mash the thumbs up, leave me a comment, and definitely go check this out. I'm excited to try it out myself. Till then, bye my beauties.